Hello, so we're going to be talking how to make a man chase you, and this is how you train him to chase you. Stay tuned. Hi, if you don't know who I am, I'm Sindy V King. I'm a creator of Calling My King. I help transform women to create lasting love through Vedic astrology, neuroscience, and transactional analysis. We're going to be talking about how to make him chase you and how to train a guy to chase you. I want to put a little bit small disclaimer here about men chasing women and versus women chasing men. I have found that even through Vedic astrology, that when a healthy moon, okay, but it's very rare to see that. When I see the man's moon is actually chasing the woman, or it's actually even when it's the other way around. I'll give you a good component and the bad side of it. When it's like the man chases the woman, it feels like the role is fitted. So that means estrogen and testosterone is in the right place for that. However, based on that concept, that when it's the woman chasing the man, she becomes more resentful. She actually looks for she's more choosy. Okay, so Biology 101 talk about women being choosy. Females are being choosy for a reason. So when he's not showing up as masculine, other options anyway. So it's really important to have that kind of clear as a concept wise. So you do have a choice. There is free will. So if you want him to chase after you, you're going to find out if you're compatible spiritually or not based on this concept. So I always recommended people who want to know if man is trainable and it can chase you. The first component is knowing that who is contacting first. I always set myself a schedule. I'm pretty much an entrepreneur and I'm a very busy woman. Also continue on doing a lot of education behind the scene. I don't give people when they're allowed to contact me. I can be vulnerable, but I say, hey, I got stuff to do. And I always either put that as a priority because that's what I'm chasing after, is really my passion. And if a man kind of sees that in you, that you actually have a passion project, and he'll probably be like very curious what you're working on. I kind of keep that like a mystery for him. So he wants to know, what are you into? What are you up to? Why things has gone so, why aren't you chasing him? That's what I want you to have as well. It's so important to have a passion project. What is a passion project? Whatever you've been wanting to do for a while and you can stick for it for a long time. That could be a fitness challenge, a 30-day fitness challenge, or building something on the side while you're either working or you're doing some sort of challenge that helps you in your personal growth or development. That is really important for him so that he is curious, knowing what you're up to, and you're committed. That's what he wants to see as well, how committed you are for yourself. The whole concept in today's society about female needing to be available whenever he can get you, that's not true. Being vulnerable and passive and patient has its component as well. You need to be living your full best life. Okay, let me repeat that one more time. You need to be living your full best life so that you can bring somebody in your life to share it with. Because if you're not having that and you're not sharing those components, where is he going to fit in your life that is so fun and exciting? Because that's what he's kind of looking for. It's fun and exciting and way to escape from this world that is not doing drugs and alcohol. So you need to find that component for yourself. And I always love doing little mini trips as well. So if he's asking me out, it's like, oh, are you available on like Wednesday? I'm like, well, I have a trip on that's coming up this Tuesday. So he probably either likes you really a lot, and he might change his plan for Monday if that's something that works out for him, because he doesn't want to miss the opportunity to see you. So that, do you guys see that? You're not playing game, you're living your full best life, and he's chasing after you because he really wants to see you. And unfortunately, a Wednesday won't work for you because you're probably going to go on a trip on a Tuesday, so he's going to change it to a Monday. You know what I mean? So that's how you know that he's sort of ready. And I always tell them, like, oh, I'm about to leave to the airport pretty shortly. And it's true that I do quite a bit travel, and he either catch you before, or he has to wait for another whole month to see you. That's how you train him. Like, hey, if you get me now, great. If you don't get me, then you have to get me at a way later time, because I have this 30-day challenge that I'm doing, right? So it's really important to stick with those things for yourself. And there's so much growth in that between as well. So that's how you get him to chase you. You have to understand the art of male competition. And this is what you learn in also Biology 101 in the first year university, male competition. And what does that mean? That means you don't go into premature monogamy, right? And you're dating multiple guys, a minimum of 3. If one drops off, put one back on right away until you go into monogamy. Women are choosy. There's a reason why that word resonate, choosy. You don't want to go and manifest love. You can't sit there and sage your life away. It doesn't work that way. Or smudging. You gotta go and put the steps in. Very key. I don't want to hear anything, the whole idea, masculine women or can't get love because so-and-so, because they have their career going for them. I don't believe in that, honestly. And I have seen very successful masculine women who are able to achieve love as well. So that's how you train him. That's how you get him to contact you. And if he doesn't contact you, I have the 7-day no contact video. I definitely want you to binge watch that because they're so good. So if you already didn't know that, I actually have a VIP membership now on YouTube that we can have a chat. I go on live stream. It really promotes me to come and talk to you and really find out what you're kind of struggling with. And it's a big group and it's so much fun. And I enjoy that very much. So I love to answer some of your questions. So let's go ahead and connect from there. If you have a story that you love to share, I'd love to hear it in the comment down below. And if this actually has worked for you in the past, not giving the guy the time of day of either he's chasing you or you're chasing him, let me know what that feels like as well. That's really, I want to know if that works out for you and how did it work out. Look, if you're serious about being fearless in love and ready to be treated like a queen, links is down below to book a time. I got over 100 videos on YouTube and I post new videos every week. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You get notified when new videos goes live. If your friend is actually stuck in love, share and like my video. I do take requests on topics and answer your burning question about your relationship. So just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.